In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to limit posts per page in WordPress. You can easily change the number of posts displayed on your blog page. As you can see, I have 6 posts on this page. Right now, I can display up to 10 posts on a page. After that, the page will be divided into multiple pages and it'll have pagination. But to change the number of posts you can display, back in your dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Reading. Here you have the option to change the number of posts that a blog page shows. So I'll change it to 3. Then click on Save. And now, when I reload this page, this page now displays only 3 posts. And here's the pagination. From here, you can go to the next page. This is how you can limit posts per page in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.